Cleansing your skin is essential. But if you have dry, very dry or irritated skin prone to atopic eczema, this can irritate your skin even more. Does your skin feel dry, tight, itchy, and unfortunately, cleansing aggravates the situation even more? If so, stay with us. Together we will discover Atoderm Huile de Douche, the ultra-nourishing anti-irritation cleansing oil designed for dry, very dry to irritated sensitive skin prone to atopic eczema. First of all, we need to understand what's going on in the case of dry to atopy-prone skin. Well, imagine your skin is a wall made of small bricks. These bricks are surrounded by lipids, or fat if you prefer. That's what you see in yellow. These lipids act somewhat like cement and make the skin waterproof. I mean more resistant. Unfortunately, when your skin is dry or prone to atopic eczema, there is a lack of cement between the bricks. The wall is a little more porous. Without this cement, water evaporates and skin becomes dehydrated. In addition, as there are gaps in the skin, these small holes that you can see, irritants and allergens are able to penetrate the skin, but they are not supposed to penetrate it. And this is what can cause irritation and itching sensation. That's why your skin may feel tight and itchy. This is clearly uncomfortable. And unfortunately, cleansing can be an aggravating factor. What you need to know is that cleansing is essential to preserve your skin's balance. This is of course true for your body, but also for your face and your hands. Cleansing removes dirt, allergen, makeup, pollution, sweat, all the elements that build up and attack the skin. However, cleansing also removes skin lipids, the cement so to speak, thereby altering the skin's barrier and triggering feeling of discomfort, such as irritation or itching. And of course, if your skin is already dry or irritated, cleansing, especially if it is too harsh, can make the condition worse. The good news is that we have designed an extremely effective dermatological solution for you that starts protecting and strengthening your skin barrier as soon as you cleanse. Atoderm Huile de Douche. At Bioderma, as a dermatological laboratory, we believe that thorough cleansing is indeed the first step in caring for the skin and optimizing the efficacy of all cosmetic products. To get a sense of how it works, I'll take you to where it all began, in the Naos laboratories. We are at the heart of the Naos laboratories, where all our products are formulated. And this is where Atoderm Huile de Douche was born. To find out more about it, follow me. Sophie, how did we manage to find a solution to gently cleanse the skin without irritating it?
The challenge was indeed to ensure gentle yet effective cleansing that respects the skin's barrier. For this, we carefully selected a combination of ultra-gentle cleansing agents at the optimal dosage to ensure perfect tolerance and the preservation of the skin's barrier. As you can see on the list of ingredients, these are cocoa glycoside, lauryl glycoside, sodium cocoa amphoacetate, and PEG-7 glyceryl cocoate.
What do you mean by ultra-gentle cleansing agent?
These cleansing agents allow for a very good cutaneous and ocular tolerance. They are sulfate-free, for example, thus providing a very fine, ultralight and delicate foam, specifically designed to respect the most sensitive skin.
In line with this will to respect the most sensitive skin, there are no preservatives in this formula, right?
Yes, indeed.
At Naos, respecting the skin's ecosystem is indeed a key principle of a unique eco-biological approach. For this, we favor ingredients that are perfectly assimilated by the skin. What better way to do this by using ingredients that are found naturally in the skin or similar to the skin constituent. They are what we call biomimetic ingredients.
Exactly.
Speaking of biomimetic ingredients, in Atoderm Huile de Douche, they play a role in strengthening the skin's barrier. Remember the small bricks wall lacking in cement? Can you tell us more about that?
Absolutely. The ultra-gentle cleansing agents we mentioned earlier are enriched with a biomimetic lipid replenishing agent, glyceryl oleate. This provides biomimetic lipids and forms a protective film, thus immediately replenishing the skin's barrier.
So, this means that these lipids will immediately fill the gaps in the small brick wall and greatly improve skin comfort?
Exactly, but that's not all. Atoderm Huile de Douche also provides the skin with glycerin, a powerful biomimetic ingredient that ensures immediate and optimal hydration.
In addition to this immediate nourishing and hydrating action, Atoderm Huile de Douche also acts in the long term, which may be quite surprising for a rinse-off product, isn't it?
That's correct. Atoderm Huile de Douche contains niacinamide, also known as vitamin PP, which is naturally found in the skin. This active ingredient helps the skin produce its own lipids, thereby preventing skin dehydration and the penetration of allergens or irritants.
That's right, yes, and with long-term results. The skin barrier function is reinforced, and the skin is hydrated for over 24 hours, just from cleansing.
That's quite an achievement. Did you know that compared to a classical cleanser that contains often more than 85% of water, Atoderm Huile de Douche exclusive formula provides a combination of lipid replenishing and moisturizing agents, accounting for 1/3 of its formula, which means that 1/3 of its formula is dedicated to taking care of the skin by intensely nourishing and providing long-lasting moisturization.
And the remaining 2/3 are mostly water and cleansing agents. More than a cleanser, Atoderm Huile de Douche is therefore a dermatological solution for taking care of your dry, very dry, or even atopy-prone skin, with long-term results. Sophie, now that we know how Atoderm Huile de Douche gently cleans, nourishing, and restores lipid, can you tell us more about the texture? How did you ensure that it provides such a pleasant sensation upon application, even for the most irritated skin?
Atoderm Huile de Douche has an oily, smooth, and silky texture. It is very easy to apply and provides a very fine, ultralight, and delicate foam that is easily rinsed off, without leaving any greasy finish. Would you like to try it?
Sure! Is it indeed very smooth and easy to apply? I really like this fine, delicate foam. It's also easy to rinse off and is not greasy at all. My skin feels intensely soothed, soft and supple. I like it. Thank you very much, Sophie, for all your explanation.
You're welcome.
The efficacy of Atoderm Huile de Douche has been tested under pediatric, ophthalmic and dermatological supervision. Atoderm Huile de Douche hydrates skin for 24 hours. The skin is also 39% more moisturized after 28 days of use. 95% of volunteers noticed that a reduction in tightness. 80% reported that the skin felt comfortable and soft. And 85% know that the skin has been soothed. Used in combination, Atoderm Huile de Douche and Atoderm Intensive Balm have even better results with a significant protective effect and strong hydrating power. After 21 days of use, the skin's hydration level increased by 93%. Remember that Atoderm Huile de Douche is suitable for use on the body, face and hands. In addition, recent tests tend to show that Atoderm Huile de Douche formula is readily biodegradable, which likewise minimizes its impact on the planet. More than a cleanser, Atoderm Huile de Douche is a solution for taking care of your dry, very dry and even dry to atopy-prone skin, as soon as you cleanse. For the whole family, starting from the birth. Think about it.